Fam. We definitely got to get home. I got a lot of packages to unveil pretty much to you guys. Like I said in the last video, we are going full bolt-on. That means intake, exhaust, downpipe, and front pipe. I got it all, fam. So let's get home and unpack these. By the way, I mounted my K-tuner up there. I'll link the mount down below. And yeah. Yo, fam, I don't know if you guys peeped that right there. All them packages and that one right there. We came home to pretty much a bunch of Christmas presents. I don't even know where to start, guys, because we got the REV9 exhaust. I was going to get the Borla exhaust, but to me, like, I couldn't find the quad tip. I only found like the single tips, and it wasn't really worth the money. So I got the REV6 performance downpipe. Let's get that unboxed first. Something here is my intake, and then I think my front pipe came in. I'm not 100% sure. I ordered so much stuff, I honestly don't even know. I'm not sure if I'm going to do Type R turbo, but I'm definitely going either P700 or Type R. Yeah, fam, that's quality. That is quality. Look at them welds, those beads. They look freaking crisp. Oh my, that's nice. There it is, REV6. And it comes with a gasket right here. Not gonna take the gasket out. I'm gonna put this all back actually and get on to the next packages. And that's the front pipe. I honestly thought this was gonna be my intake because that's like the thing I could really install. And here's the mid pipe. It has a little built-in flex pipe right here, I guess you can call that. It's crazy how the REV6 or the RV6 welds look way better than PRLs. No shade, but looks like somebody was in a rush. But yeah, as long as they're all, like, these are good right here. Maybe they had a couple people working on this, because look at how good these are. And then look at how shitty these are. And then the bottom ones look a little better. It's like, what the hell? What's going on here? And then the other side looks like somebody else was working on it again. It's just weird. But they capped that one off. They didn't cap this side off. Oh well. Here's one of the tips. I'm not gonna open it all because obviously I don't want to scratch it or anything in the garage, but that shit is crisp. Yeah. I hope she's loud though. If she's not, I'm gonna just cut the resonator. Because I got the PRL front pipe, which I showed you guys, and then this is the REV9 exhaust. But it looks alright. It looks decent. Guys, I'm a little upset. I was supposed to get the iPhone 15. My brother ordered it, and then the FedEx guy stole the package, I think. Freaking bums, man. Nobody wants to work for anything nowadays, you know? Dude scanned it in, stole it. What can we do about that, you know? And that's pretty much the exhaust right there. That's a lot of pieces for that exhaust. Granted, it is a dual exhaust, so it's not single tip like a normal car would be, but that's a lot of pieces. Hopefully it lightens it up though and doesn't add no more weight. And that's what I love about the new tech, guys. No bolts. It's pretty much clamps. My Supra exhaust, same shit, just clamps, no bolts at all. So pretty much one pipe overlaps into the other pipe, and then you just clamp it on with this. I haven't really ran into issues when I had this system on my Supra, so it's definitely a better system than bolts, because the bolts will snap and all that. So I ordered this, but obviously it's not for my car, so I'm gonna have to figure something with that. Put it on Marketplace. If anybody's interested, it's linked down below. It's for the 1.5, so it's pretty fire. Here's one more look at the little valve cover. It is like plastic, but it goes over your valve cover like your real one, and it comes with bolts and stuff. And yeah. Oh, that's it right there. But yeah, DM me if you guys are interested in that. Yeah, guys, I also forgot to mention I did get the True Heart coils as well, but that will be installed by my buddy. I'm not going to even touch that. I hate suspension, and my cat just wants to go outside right now. But I hate suspension and all that work. So yeah, we're not going to touch that.